March 2019, Brett and I both lost our jobs and our home.
So we decided to go travelling in a fifth wheel with Gabriel and Gray and the cats.
This is the story of our adventure.
So we've just left Rastilla camping and we're on our first leg of what is going to be a 3-day hike up to Lapland. But today we're just doing 175 k's. So we just arrived 175 k's north of Helsinki. It took us about 2 hours. It's, believe it or not, it's 4:52, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is pitch black. We've just struggled to fill up with water. We didn't want to carry a full tank of water because we were worried that it would freeze on the route. It's quite cold. So we've just managed to fill up. The hose pipe froze as we were connecting it. Took us a while, well, it took Brett a while to find a connection, but we've connected it, and as you can see it's lying in the snow, it's freezing, but it is filling up finally. This is the campsite. It's very Finnish.
There's a lake over there.
Yeah.
We're going to go check out if it's frozen or not.
It will be frozen.
Think so?
Yeah, defo. And Brett's going to fix the electric. We've got 2 cables.
That's where we've parked. We're just going to find an electric spot. And there's 2 sockets there, so we're going to top up on the fan heating. They're charging us for heating, so they asked you if you want to pay for lighting or heating. I didn't realize it's the same plug. I thought maybe you got a different pitch because of it. So obviously I said we wanted heating.
What? So they charged
Different prices, yeah.
double oh right, so lighting is cheaper than so heating you get lighting as well. You don't have to pay height. Okay, fine. So it's right on the lake. You can see the swans over there. Tracy, if you're watching, we saw the swans from Lower Ledge and we brought them to Lapland, Finland. We stay in Finland.
And the ice slightly freezing on the top.
Really beautiful. I wish we'd stayed here a bit longer. They're called cygnets.
Dada.
That's Daddy, yeah. But can you see the baby swans? Cygnets.
Water.
It's water, yeah, it's a lake. So we're in Tornio, it's 175 km north of Helsinki. We stayed here last night, got here about 5 o'clock, and we are leaving. It is now 9 o'clock in the morning, and we are hitting the road for a 600-kilometre journey north to Lapland. We are actually crossing the Arctic Circle today. The temperature here, it seems to be rising. It was -3 in the night, and it says on our app it's going to be 3 degrees. So it's melting here, but we know that further north it's going to get colder and colder. We've left the cats in the trailer for the first half of the journey because it's really nice and warm in there. But come lunchtime we're going to stop and put them in the car because it's going to drop down to about -10. No, Brett's saying that the steady tyres have worked and he doesn't feel like he's going to skid. I'm slipping as I'm walking on this. It's just ice. And we're going that way. We are 296 kilometres away from Kemi, which is the end of leg number 2. The road has just turned to snow. I presume why they just kind of stopped scraping, right?
For the weekend, I suppose, I don't know.
Okay. It's a bit nerve-wracking.
So we've been driving for a while and the road is turning into ice, I think. Yeah. So It's very wintry here. It is very Arctic. So what we're going to do is we got these cable tires which strap onto the trailer, because the trailers don't have studded tires. Just as a precaution, I'm a bit nervous. We have studded tires on the front of the car. We just don't have them on the trailer. So I'm going to put those on the trailer, and I'll show you a little bit of it done when it's done.
So we're just putting these cable ties on because it is snowing. But it's beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. We're not even in Lapland yet.
You're supposed to put 5 on each. So putting 5 on each.
It's getting dark.
We had to slow ride down to like 70 kilometers an hour.
We didn't expect it to get to snow this early on. We thought the snow would come on the last 600 k's, not just the 600 k's.
Yeah, the temperatures dropped again another degree, so we're at -4 now. But it's like we're in a blizzard. That's what it looks like.
Well, yeah, I think we're in a snow blizzard at the moment. Well, it's only a snowstorm. We've got 240 k's to go still. It's 4 o'clock, and we've still got, we've got about 4 hours worth of driving. We're literally just halfway, and we didn't expect the snow to start to be settled on the roads this early into the journey. I mean, in total, we're only 500 k's north of Helsinki, which means that we've still got 700 kilometers to go. Obviously not until today. We've got 200 to go today, but I didn't expect the snow to start until halfway through the second look. Not like this. I expected it to be ploughed off and gritted. There's no grit, there's no plough.
We saw a snowplow drive down the road, but he wasn't actually ploughing.
No, he had a scoop lifted up. The only problem we've ever had, what I've ever had with travelling, is other people's toilets. I can't use public toilets, it's just so that's the ace thing about caravanning. I recommend.
RVing.
RVing, yeah.
Bring on the RV.
But I don't recommend anyone try this at home. Like driving with a 3.5 ton, 4 ton, myself on it, fifth wheel, in a snow blizzard.
In the Arctic.
In the Arctic. Everyone else is going south. We're going north.
Yeah.
Like
It's only
idiots.
lorries and us going up.
Yeah.
So,
We are starting to regret, I think. Are we regretting it?
not regret, man. No,
Not
I'm just.
regretting. We're just thinking it was a bit dumb. Sorry we're a bit late. It was hard, it was a long journey.